Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Now today we've got a 2026 Forest River Salem, model number 270ZEN. That's right, 270ZEN. So let's get started. The length on this Salem is 33 feet 7 inches. The dry weight is 8,589 pounds with a hitch weight of 1,085. with a GVWR of 11,285. Ooh, this is a little different.
It is a little different. We can't wait to get inside and show you this one, but we're going to start up front. This is going to have a power tongue jack. Obviously your propane bottles are here. Not really sure why they didn't go with a bigger cover on this one, but as you can see, this has got 30-pound propane tanks on it. Your battery is going to mount right down there, and there is your battery disconnect. Now we are going to come down the side. I don't know where my assistant got off to. He has left me. But you do have a tankless Suburban water heater right here. I love that they did the panel in white so that it blends in. You're going to have an outside shower here. Coming on down, we'll show you this on the other side. It is going to have power stabilizers, all of your dump areas right here. I'm going to be honest, that looks just a little bit low to the ground to me. Maybe a little different. Could be because the parking lot is sloping here just a little bit. Are going to have a big slide out here. Come down the back. You've got a spare here with a cover. You see you have got a huge window. You guys are going to love this when we get on the inside. It is prepped for a backup camera. Also prepped for the Lippert ladder. Coming over here, you see it does have opposing slides. Do you have your awning links?
13 and 10.
13 and 10.
Yeah, I just had to measure them. Our viewers probably just heard me with the tape measure.
You do have JBL speakers out here. You see that they are down nice and low. You've got an outside bracket for a TV. You do have some accent lighting here. Let's show you this pass-through. Well, this is not pass-through storage.
Accent lighting here, and it's probably, because we had a comment one time, how do you turn these off and on?
There is a switch.
Yeah, yes. I think it's probably going to be on that.
Should be on the control panel.
Yeah.
So yes, here is your storage. You do see that you are going to have a tilt bed, so that's your mechanism for that. And you've got vents in here.
And also, we haven't mentioned, they have this dry erase surface right here. That's pretty cool.
That is something that is pretty cool.
All right. You ready?
Let's go take a look.
All right. Hang on to your popcorn.
Alright guys, this is something different. We told you that it had this monster window back here at the back, and how awesome is that? And these very mod looking recliners.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, we'll just start with those. I mean, you do have these two recliners back here. They are pushback recliners. I'm just going to tell you, I'm going to have a seat here in one of them. Got to plug in down there, USB. You know, that they swivel. And like I said, they're very modern looking. Something that you might want to just keep in mind with these, they don't have a very high back, and I'm sort of short. So if you're one of those that like those big man recliners, this is not those, but they are very cool.
Yeah. Forest River is doing some, well, the Salem division was.
They're definitely thinking outside the box.
Yes, they are.
That is for sure. Obviously, this is not a real TV, but it's going to fit up to, what is that, a 50?
Oh, well, let's just find out. Yes, ma'am, 50.
All right, so yeah, you can put up to a 50. There is going to be a window behind that. So if you use the televator and put the window down, the TV down, you're going to have a window back there.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah. That one's actually pretty fast.
Oh,
Well, this is not a real TV, so.
yeah. There we go.
Yeah. And then you got your little lid, and then you've got a plug-in back there behind it. Nice big fireplace here. Surprisingly big fireplace. I'll go ahead and show you this. You are going to have your heating. It's going to be in the floor.
Did you say about the plug-ins and USB on each side?
Yeah, well, not on each side, but yes,
Okay.
I did point that out.
How you like that?
Cool little modern looking.
Okay.
Light fixture. Yeah.
Yeah, that thing.
Trying to think what that is. Now over here in your front side, this is going to make into a bed. You just pull this out.
Yep.
Make sure you take the cushions off before you pull it out. We're not going to show that, but just trust us on that one. It does actually come out. You do have some storage right here, and you see that you've got a plug-in and a USB in it. Now over here.
I guess you'd call this a little hutch of some sort?
Storage up here. Now, unfortunately, this mirror did get broken in transport, but behind this mirror
Ta-da!
is your microwave.
Yes.
I mean, come on, that's kind of cool.
That's neat.
To hide it.
I don't know about the mirror.
I don't know about this mirror. I would think that needs something with a frame around it, actually.
But if you do buy this one, Triple H will replace
yeah,
that.
it'll be fixed. And there is a shelf up above it. And then right here you have a pantry with adjustable shelving. And that goes all the way down. So, I mean, hey, this is a neat little idea.
I love all these lights.
Yeah. Let me show this bar real quick. You've got seating here. There's going to be 4 of these little bar stools. You've got a nice big sink with a pull-down faucet. Now, the lighting he was talking about.
This is
It's
fantastic.
It's really cool. So you've got these LED light strips in the ceiling, and then you've got this accent lighting in this really cool paneling
Back on
deco
it,
thing.
Show them
Yeah.
does have this air conditioner.
Does have air conditioning.
All right.
Over here in your kitchen area, got some storage up here.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it just kind of pulls down everywhere.
I kind of,
Yeah, it doesn't open all the way. That's a little, disappointing actually. But anyway, you are going to have your 3-burner cooktop with an oven.
Oh.
And then you've got some storage down below that. Get right here so you can see this. Actually, nice pull-out drawers here.
Yeah.
And then your
I love the garbage can.
garbage is going to be attached. This is not solid surface, guys, in here, but you have huge prep space back there. And there is a plug-in in the corner, so it'd be a great place for your coffee pot. And then underneath your sink, you've got big storage area. 12-volt compressor fridge in this. So yeah, what do you guys think about this kind of mod looking interior here? This is something different. Let us know in the comments how you feel about this. Now moving into the bathroom.
Go.
And the shower is
30 by 36.
yes, and it's going to have a little bit of a rounded front here with the
I like it.
pleated door. There is a skylight up there, so you know, hey, it's 6 feet tall. He's got plenty of headroom. Yeah, got a little exhaust fan. You've got a shelf up here with some hooks. Yes, it is porcelain, and you see that your heating is going to be right next to you. Now, moving over here, this
Big mirror.
not a medicine cabinet, but it does have some backlighting around it. Great counter space, good size sink. This is where you're going to have to store your towels, so there's not a designated linen closet in here, so no golden plunger for this one. It was close. It was close.
You got your tankless water heater controls and a plug-in.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
So, cool.
All right, moving into the bedroom. You're gonna have, now this is, they're calling this a king size. There's their measurements up there. It's actually a 66 by 78. So you have these two storage compartments up here at the top. And now on that side, you've got some shelves built in. And then over here, you've got some narrow shelves with USB and power outlet. And they even give you a couple of little steps down here to get up to it. Got all this storage underneath the bed. And then I'm going to hand this off so he can show you what that is.
Little spot there, little closet. There's a little storage right there. And then over here we've got washer and dryer hookup with another hanging bar, storage shelf. All right, yeah, put a stackable in there.
Yep. And then up here you're going to have a second AC, and you're going to be able to put your TV right here on this wall.
And there's your control for your tilt bed.
Yep. And your fuses are going to be down there at the floor.
All right. All right, everybody. If you like this Salem, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.